What's going on, everybody? Today I'm just gonna show you how to make blueberry salad dressing. Alkaline blueberry salad dressing. We got blueberries, extra virgin olive oil, deal weed, blue agave, ginger, onion powder, sea salt, key lime, blender. So let's begin. So first thing you want to do is we added our blueberries to the blender already. About 3 tablespoons grapeseed oil. I've added a little bit. I'm gonna add a little more. And you just want to do a handful of sea salt. About that much. Dash of onion powder. Now I like to use a little more onion powder than any other spice, just because the onion powder give it that kick that you gonna love when you make it. About 1 teaspoon ginger, just a little bit. Same for the dill, just a little bit. Same for agave, just a little bit. And you want to take the key lime, you want to cut it open so you can squeeze the lime for the juice. Now you can do half of the lime if you like. You can do the whole lime if you like. Me, I like to do the whole lime. Now, once you get them all in there, you just want to pulse it 1 or 2 times, then you want to let it go. Now the blueberry dressing is finished. As you can see, got a nice color to it. Smells good. Let you get a good look at it. Blueberry dressing. Good for any salad that you make. You want to make your own dressing, blueberries are a good option to try. So again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video. Let me know what you think. Make you some blueberry dressing if you like. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram, Carbonbased_cellfood. It's a link in the description box. You can send me a friend request or follow me on Facebook. It's a link in the description box for that also. And you can get the Dr. Seaver nutritional guide. It's a link in the description box below for that. Also, if you want to get a blender, food processor, it's a link in the description box below. Click the link. If you want to get Billy Carson book, Emerald tablets, it's a link in the description box below. Click the link. Also, if you want to donate, it's a link in the description box below. Cash up, feel free to do so. And if you want to get alkaline herbs such as sarsaparilla, elderberry, sea moss, dandelion, lemon balm, just to name a few, you could email me or DM me on Instagram or Facebook. You can email me at carbonbasedcellfood@gmail.com. That's CARBONBASED, cellfood, one word, @gmail.com. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I just want to thank you for watching.